Today I am reviewing Skytech Gaming Azure 3 RTX 5070. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Skytech Gaming Azure 3 is one of those desktops that immediately stands out in today's crowded gaming PC market. Packed with the latest AMD Ryzen 7 7700X processor, running at 4.5 GHz with the ability to turbo boost up to 5.4 GHz, and combined with the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card with 12 GB of GDDR5 memory, this machine is built to deliver raw performance. It is designed for serious gamers and creators who don't want to settle for average speeds or outdated technology. Right out of the box, it comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz, which is blazing fast, and a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD that offers storage up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. The inclusion of a 360mm liquid AIO cooler with ARGB fans not only ensures excellent cooling but also adds to the visual appeal inside its tempered glass Skytech Azure case. When it comes to gaming performance, this desktop really shines. It can run all the latest AAA titles such as Call of Duty, Fortnite, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, Apex Legends, and even graphically demanding games like Elden Ring, Black Myth Wukong, and Baldur's Gate 3 at ultra settings in 1440p Quad HD resolution. The result is buttery smooth frame rates well above 60 FPS, making it a great choice for competitive gamers and casual players alike. Content creators will also find value here because the Ryzen 7 CPU paired with the RTX 5070 provides a balanced platform for video editing, 3D rendering, streaming, and multitasking. The Windows 11 Home operating system makes the experience smooth, and the inclusion of Wi-Fi connectivity, multiple USB ports, and free bundled accessories like a gaming keyboard and mouse means you're ready to go as soon as you set it up. Now, let's talk about the pros in detail. One of the biggest advantages of the Skytech Azure 3 is its powerful hardware combination. The Ryzen 7 7700X and RTX 5070 are a future-proof pairing, ensuring this system will stay relevant for years to come. The 32 GB of DDR5 RAM is another highlight, making multitasking and demanding workloads incredibly smooth. Storage speed is phenomenal thanks to the Gen 4 NVMe SSD, and the 1TB size offers plenty of space for games, apps, and media. Another pro is the cooling system. Unlike many pre-built systems that suffer from overheating, the 360mm ARGB liquid cooler ensures temperatures remain under control even during marathon gaming or editing sessions. Add in the tempered glass case with ARGB lighting, and you get not just performance, but also stunning aesthetics. The inclusion of no bloatware, a 1-year parts and labor warranty, and lifetime technical support are also excellent value-added features. However, like any product, the Skytech Azure 3 does have some cons to consider. First, while the RTX 5070 is a brand new GPU and highly capable, gamers who demand native 4K ultra performance in every title may find it slightly limited compared to the higher-end 5090 or 5080 options. Another con is that the included power supply, while being an 850W gold-rated ATX 3.0 unit, might be a bit overkill for the current specs, but could still limit future extreme upgrades. Additionally, while the case looks beautiful with tempered glass and RGB, it is on the larger side, which may not be ideal for users with limited desk space. Finally, like most pre-built systems, the price can be higher compared to building a similar system yourself, though what you get in return is expert assembly, warranty, and plug-and-play convenience. In conclusion, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 is an excellent gaming desktop for anyone looking for a balance of power, style, and long-term value. With its Ryzen 7 7700X processor, RTX 5070 GPU, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and a lightning-fast SSD, it easily handles modern gaming and productivity workloads. The advanced liquid cooling keeps everything running smoothly, and the system's design makes it a centerpiece in any setup. While it may not be the cheapest option on the market, the performance, reliability, and future-proof components make it well worth the investment for both gamers and content creators who want a machine that's ready for the future.